Looking for a quick escape? Check out the best day trips from Punta Cana, where nature, history, and unique experiences come together for a perfect outing.
Remember that you have the links to all the activities in the description.
Tourists embarking on a unique adventure will traverse the rugged Anamuya Mountains of the Dominican Republic, immersing themselves in rural life, guided by an experienced local expert named Alex. Known for his extensive knowledge, Alex has been leading tours since 2013, offering insights into the rich local history, flora, and fauna. Participants can savor homegrown coffee and fruits, making their journey even more memorable. The tour promises a blend of fun facts, exotic wildlife encounters, and a refreshing river swim, providing a holistic experience. Guests are picked up from their accommodations, then venture into the remote parts of the country to minimize environmental impact. Los Haitises day trip overview. To commence this day trip, we will meet you at your hotel in Punta Cana, starting from 6:30 a.m. onwards. We will then proceed to Los Haitises National Park, an exceptional karst landscape located near Samana Bay. We will embark on a boat journey down the Caño Hondo River towards San Lorenzo Bay. During this voyage, we will observe the picturesque red mangrove forests lining the shores. As we navigate through open waters, we will also encounter rocky mogotes teeming with pelicans and fork-tailed flycatchers. Our exploration continues as we reach the Arena and Linea Caves, sites historically utilized by the Taino indigenous people. A small group excursion to Los Haitises National Park commences in Punta Cana, featuring a boat ride through the mangroves in Caño Hondo River. Following the journey, visitors proceed to traverse the distinctive landscapes of Los Haitises, including its limestone karst plateau, conical hills, sinkholes, and caverns. The exploration continues into the islets and mangrove forests of San Lorenzo Bay, where low-flying birds can be observed near Cayo de los Pájaros, situated between Boca del Infierno and El Naranjo Arriba. Numerous mogotes and atolls are also encountered across the coastline surrounding the park, offering opportunities to identify various native bird species. Starting your day on an air-conditioned coach transports you swiftly from your accommodation to Skate Park, an eco-adventure park situated within the Cap Cana Resort. This expansive park, covering over 247 acres, 100 hectares, occupies the eastern shore of the Dominican Republic. Comprehensive package offered includes access to 7 captivating attractions at Skate Park. Your itinerary may commence with the Zip Line Eco Tour, followed by the refreshing Hoyo Azul Eco Tour. The choice between these two tours is entirely yours. Among the attractions available at the park: Hoyo Azul Eco Tour. Enjoy a dip in the cool waters of a secluded cenote with vibrant blue hues. Santo Domingo de Guzman, commonly referred to as Santo Domingo, stands out as the capital and largest city of the Dominican Republic, alongside being the oldest continuously inhabited city in the Americas. Founded by the Spanish over 5 centuries ago, Santo Domingo is renowned for its rich history, including the establishment of the first university, cathedral, castle, monastery, and fortress in the New World. Its historic district, designated a World Heritage Site by UNESCO, offers visitors a glimpse into the city's architectural marvels and cultural heritage. This captivating adventure transports visitors to the colonial era, immersing them in the rich history and breathtaking landscapes of the first city in America. Upon arrival at Los Tres National Park, renowned for its stunning natural beauty, guests marvel at the formation of 4 spectacular lakes within a cave, offering opportunities to explore these mesmerizing waters. Upon exiting the park, a grand entrance awaits, the lighthouse monument to Colon, showcasing the remarkable architectural prowess of the time. This iconic structure serves as both a historical tribute and a gateway to the vibrant culture of the region. A quick overview of the diverse nations of America is also available here, making Santo Domingo synonymous with the door of the Americas. During your tour through the province of La Romana, your guide will elucidate the pivotal historical occurrences of Altos de Chavon, an architectural replica of a medieval European village dating back to the 16th century within the Dominican Republic. As you traverse the cobblestone pathways, bask in the breathtaking panoramas encompassing the majestic Chavon River, and immerse yourself in the serene beauty of surrounding landscapes. Marvel at the picturesque settings, galleries, museums, the Church of St. Stanislao, and other captivating attractions along your route.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.